Want to learn how to get logged out of your Roblox account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now tap on this 3-dotted straight line inside a circle on the bottom right corner. Scroll down. On the bottom, you can see an option of logout. Tap on logout so you can see that before logging out, you need to add your email address so that you don't get logged out. It's for the process if you want to continue it, but if you want to skip and log out anyway, you can tap on skip logout anyway on the bottom. So you can see that just by doing it, you have been logged out of your Roblox account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.